Hello guys, this is a demo, the handwork. This vintage Kenmore electronic model 17922. I clean and oil. If you want to see how fixes your own machine, you have one, just checking in my channel. There are the videos to show you how fixes this machine. Work perfect now. You just go from this, say push, and we're going to the first one, straight stitch, the hand needle up and down, leg, now we're going for the zigzag, push and turn. The zigzag, we're going, this is the width, so you can pull to the four. You want more small, you just come here, and this one we're going to 2.4. We're going the stretch straight stitch, so it is straight, don't have width, the tension is okay, and we can go through the now zigzag, stretch, zigzag, we can let in 12. Oh, but we need to put the width in 4. Until now we go like this. We can try all the stitches. It's easy to work with that. You see how made the stretch is really good side. Now we can go through this other stitch. Just test the machine working perfect after good cleaning and oiling the parts. No, it's in all the machine, it's just some parts need to oil sometimes, depends how much you use. We're going through this, we're in 4, and here say also the yellow. It's too easy to work with that. Needle down, if you want more speed you can use this one. Now we go through the other. These triangles. Now the green one is like a stretch zigzag. Now this other pass for all. Remember, we can play with the width and with the length. This is how made the stitches. Now we go to the other line. You push, and after you turn to the place you want. Down the needle. You want legs, leg. The other one. Say like in green. When we're going through these ones, like it's more close each other, we can go a little down the leg. The width is okay. It's working really good. Escalope. If you want push a little less the leg, can be also another design, no? Now we go from the other stitches. Yellow ones. This yellow, we can go to the leg more bigger. It's like a more decorative. This is like a serger stitch. This is a decorative, say it's in yellow, we are in yellow. This is like a tree. See how it works. This is the heart. See? We can put the leg here bigger. Now the other one is the last. This is the other ones. And this part, if you want to make a better figure, the last ones, you can move this is one in the size if the figure is not go really well, and also put a stabilizer when you go through the figures for do that. It's working good. Now we're going to put this class 15 bobbins. I'm checking if it's working. Just push here, this one up, and working. Yeah, it's good. Don't forget to do that when you finish your wind and your bobbin. It's all the machine working very well. And subscribe to my videos. You can see how fixes a machine like this. Beautiful make, beautiful work with that, and easy how you can change the preserved food just by push the click in the back. This one you can change, or the others preserved food. It's the first time really I see. I have many machines, Kenmore's vintage, but it's the first time I see these machines coming with that holder and with this preserved food snap on, so you can put just one like that. Now if you want to use the super high chan normal, because you had that, we can do with that, and you can put that too, easy, just like that. This is how work this machine. And thank you for watch. God bless you. God bless you for this beautiful hobby, and please continue pray for the world. Bye.